craft is dumb, you say to me. Just listen up carefully, 'cause it'll take us all to educate you. Yeah, if you come over, then you will see. You can craft things so effortlessly. We can fight guardians at sea. Try not to get money fatigue. If you want peaceful, we'll wander around. If you want hardcore, we'll go underground. We can do anything we please, you know. Oh, maybe we'll find some fire, a trampoline made out of slime. It's my craftable, and we can play Hunger Games alone. A badass map with amazing mods. It's my craftable, my craftable. You say the graphics aren't enough. Well, your imagination sucks. So my grant you build what you wanna build. Yeah. I hope by now you understand. It's more than blocks of dirt and sand. It's really anything that you want it to be. Yeah, if you come over, then you will see. You can craft things so effortlessly.